Hello foodies! I'm back with the continuation of our annual picnic. So today is actual picnic day. I got up early and decided to make some juice and some more fresh fruits. So we're getting ready for the picnic. Stick around, we're gonna have so much fun today. So I'm making a fruit punch here. I'm using apples, pineapple, peaches, strawberries, ginger, and what else I have there? Yeah, just all the good stuff, all the good stuff, fresh food. Watermelon, that's a must. How could I forget the watermelon? So it's a whole lot, and it's gonna be so good. It's very nice and thick. I'm not using a lot of water to stretch it. I need it to be very concentrated. I'm using lemon also, and I'm gonna add a little sugar just to, sweeten up. But it was very refreshing, I can tell you. Yeah, and I have mint. I add mint as a little pop, little refreshing pop. And of course, the ginger is there doing its thing. Yeah, it was a really good fruit punch. Yes, and I just want to say thank you again to all my viewers and all my subscribers and everyone who helped me to get to 1,000. I'm over 1,000 right now, and I'm so grateful. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so, right? So you can continue to see more of my content. I'm going to be doing some fall cooking. It's a little bit late, but I have some already. I just need to get them together. So just as soon as you finish watching this one, please continue to watch some more because I have lots of good stuff coming up. And look at that, I forgot my cucumbers. Yeah, that's our cooling agent. Cucumbers are very cool and they're hydrating. So I had to drop some in there. Yeah, so there it goes. So it's cucumber, watermelon, and lemon right there waiting to be blended. And see, I'm telling you, man, the juice so nice and thick. I'm telling you, the juice sell off. When we went to the picnic, everybody coming, man. Everyone, somebody taste, everybody coming. One person taste and they spread the news. Trust me. And then I add sparkling water, so we add sparkling water too. So give it a pop, a little fizz. I'm telling you, it was great. So I have this tumbler here. So I'm decorating and putting orange slices and lemon slices and mint and ice. So this is just for, decor, a little fancy style. But I have my cooler with the remaining juice so you can press and get juice. But this is just to beautify the table. So to the tumbler, I'm adding juice. And then this is the one that I'm gonna add the sparkling water to. Yeah, you should try this, guys. It's so good. You should try it. And this is a bigger cooler that I'm gonna put the remaining drink and stuff in. Yeah, so we're gonna fill that up with ice when we're ready to drink. When we get to the picnic, we're not gonna put the ice as yet. We don't want it to, melt and get too thin. And you see the mint leaves, I put mint leaves and some floating strawberries and so on. Yeah. Right here now I'm making a little dressing for the fruit salad. I'm using honey and the rind from the lime. So I'm grating the lime, the skin of the lime to get the rind, and add a little honey, and you pour that over your fruit, and it, just give it a zest. It's optional, you don't have to do that, but it's just something that I saw somebody else did and I decided to try it, and it was great. Again, to finish off the fruit salad, I'm gonna chop some mint leaves. I chop them very fine to sprinkle over the fruits, and that's a bonus. Yeah, full of flavor, full of flavor. So now we're at the picnic, and you see that dumpling frying, corn roasting. Yes, that is how we do it. And we're getting ready to jerk some chicken. You see that? Chicken jerking. Lala frying up some dumplings. Our festival.
Video the pot. She back in at the... Wait, I made them jump in that pot, so. What video did chef over there?
Chop, Michelle, chop. No man up in those two chefs, man. We have two big chefs over here on the grill. And this is our golden brown Jamaican style festival. So we're gonna eat that with fried fish and jerk chicken and some roast corn. I tell you, the picnic still have the food nice.
What up on the pimento in there. Oh, so you get the pimento flavor. Oh, you come up with that. Like the wood.
Yeah. You see your mouth? You see your mouth?
Pass it down. Pass it down.
It's time to chill. I did enough cooking. Hey, anybody didn't cook? Not gonna eat.
Sorry, I'm asleep.
See how my plate look boasty? Fried fish, jerk chicken, roast corn, festival, fresh vegetable. I tell you, the food nice. Then me I take a walk now, go look over by the water park and the pool and the grounds. The park is so beautiful and we had a wonderful time there.